Hey guys, I hope you are doing well, and this week's video is related to home decor plus how to propagate plants in a magnet test tube, which we are going to DIY today. So let's get started with the video. Before getting started with the video, please like, share and subscribe if you like my channel. So let's get started. So for the supplies we need some test tubes. I got these test tubes from the local market and I paid 25 rupees for each of the test tube, and then get some pair of small button size magnets, 2 magnet for each test tube, and a glue that can stick onto very nicely. I took Fevikwik here for this project, and you can take measuring tape if you want to measure where you want to stick your magnets on test tube, but I am not using it. I am eyeballing it. Here I have already made one of the test tube, so let's get started and see how we can DIY it. First, take this test tube of any size you prefer. Now take 2 magnets to stick on the test tube. One magnet will go in the inside of the test tube and one magnet will stick onto the outside layer of the test tube. Here I am using Fevikwik to glue both of the magnets. You can use any glue that you think will be sturdy enough to hold the magnets. While gluing it on the test tube, make sure that both the magnets are facing the opposite side, that is North Pole and South Pole. This way they will attract each other and not push each other away. If you apply it in a wrong direction, they would push each other away and not stick correctly. And please follow along the video. Now keep it aside for at least 48 hours under a place where no one can touch it. I have placed my test tubes under the TV cabinet so no one can touch it. And now let's see after 3 days. And it's third day finally. Let's complete the project. I'm filling this test tube with water and stucking my pothos cutting in the test tube. Make sure you have the aerial node on your cutting and make sure that you dip the aerial node in water properly. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe this video. Bye.